Lesson 1, Philanthropist of Sangam Age. Children, in last class we learnt about pagan. In today's class we will see about Pari. Pari. Grandpa started to say the story about Pari. The next story is nearly 2000 years old. A wise and kind philanthropist called Pari ruled more than 300 villages known together as Parambunadu. This was located in Parambu Malai. Where it is located? It is located in Parambu Malai. Okay. A hill range that started in Sivagangai district in Tamil Nadu and extended all the way to Palakkad in Kerala. So the Pari country started from Tamil Nadu to Kerala. So he ruled such a big country, children. Parindra அரசர் பரம்பு நாட்டை ஆண்டு வந்தார். அதில் 300 கிராமங்கள் இருந்தது. அவருடைய ஆட்சி பரப்பு தமிழ்நாட்டில் சிவகங்கை டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் ஆரம்பித்து கேரளாவில் இருக்கிற பாலக்காடு வரைக்கும் இருந்தது. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ ஹி ரூல்ட் such a big area. Next, the Moovendars wanted to make Parambu Nadu a part of their kingdom. They were not able to win the battle against Pari and his army individually. So they attacked Parambu Nadu together. Children, now only I told Parambu Nadu is a very large area. It consists of 300 villages and it started from Tamil Nadu to Kerala. So everyone want to take their country. Moovendars, Chera, Sola and Pandyas try to take the country, but they were not able to do that because the Parambu Nadu have thick forest. So they are not able to fight and win the Pari. Next, in the hills inside the thick forest, they were not able to defeat Pari's army. To fight in the thick forest, army needs some special training. Pari's army alone have the capacity to fight in the thick forest. Chera, Sola, Pandya's force doesn't have that extra capacity. So they were not able to win the Pari's army. Instead, they made sure that Parambu Nadu could not get water or food from below the hill. They thought that Pari would surrender once he ran for food and water. Usually people in hill stations, people will get less amount of water and food. It can be managed for only very few days only. So after that they have to come down. Below the hill station they have to come. In the way, if they come down, we can catch like that. Moovendars think. But what it happens, let us see next. When Grandpa continuing his story, in between, Geeta started to ask her question. Grandpa, how many days can we be without food and water? Children, she asking that how many days, எத்தனை நாள் நம்ம உணவும் தண்ணியும் இல்லாம இருக்க முடியும் அப்படினு கேக்குறா. Next, Grandpa answering, I'm not sure, maybe 3 days. எனக்கு கண்டிப்பா தெரியல, ஒரு 3 நாள் நம்மளால அப்படி இருக்க முடியும்னு ஆன்சர் பண்றாரு. Next, anyways, this continued for few months, but Pari did not surrender. The Moovendars later realized that the forest in Parambu Malai were so rich that they provided people with a lot of jackfruit, edible bamboo and other wild nuts. The hill also had a lot of streams that provided them with fresh water fresh, clean water. Okay, next what grandpa saying? The Pari did not surrender to the Chera, Chola and Pandyas. He is staying very comfortably in the hills itself because the hills provided them a very good food. They have lot of jackfruit, wild nuts and bamboo. So they are comfortably staying in the hills. They are not coming down for any food or water. Students, first மூவேந்தர்கள் என்ன நினைச்சாங்க? பாரியோட கண்ட்ரியா அவங்க எடுத்துக்கணும்னு நினைச்சாங்க. ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் இண்டிவிஜுவலா அவரோட சண்டை போட்டு பார்த்தப்போ அதை செய்ய முடியல. அதனால மூவேந்தரும் சேர்ந்து அவர் மேல படையெடுத்து போறாங்க. அப்ப என்ன பண்றாங்க? அந்த காட்டுக்குள்ளார மலை மேல இருக்கிற காட்டுல அவங்களால சண்டை போட முடியாததுனால அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க? மலை அடிவாரத்திலிருந்து பாரி நாட்டுக்கு போற உணவையும் தண்ணியையும் நிறுத்திடுறாங்க. ஸோ அதனால என்ன நினைச்சாங்க? அவங்க பாரி மலை மேல அவருக்கு தண்ணியும் உணவும் கிடைக்காம கீழே வந்தா அவர் போர்ல தோத்துருவாரு, சரணடைஞ்சிடுவாருன்னு நினைச்சாங்க. ஆனா அப்படி எதுவுமே நடக்காம அவங்களுக்கு என்னாச்சு? மலையில இருக்கிற நட்ஸு, ஃப்ரூட்ஸு அதை வச்சு அவங்க சாப்பிட்டு அங்கே ரொம்ப வசதியாக இருந்தாங்க. அங்கேயே அவங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரீம்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் எ ஸ்மால் ரிவர், நீரோடைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுலேயே அவங்களுக்கு என்னாச்சு? ரொம்ப நல்ல தண்ணியும் கிடைச்சிது. Again, Geeta asking question. So, they did not need food or water from any other places. So, Pari and his army doesn't want any food because already they are getting everything in the hills itself, isn't it? So, next grandpa answering, yes, their forest took care of them just as Pari and people in his region took care of nature. So, the Pari and his people take care of the forest wellness. They formed a very good forest in the hills. So, now when they are in problem, the forest protecting them from their enemies. There is even a famous story that tells how one day Pari was passing a young mullai creeper. He saw that there was no tree to help this creeper grow. He gave up his golden chariot to give support for the creeper. So, the king Pari think that even a creeper should not be affected. So, he take care of the trees and forest very well. This is an best example. So, he not even leave the creeper. To growth of the creeper, he given his costliest golden chariot. Okay, children. Next, Geeta saying, this is so interesting. Did you know that we planted a few trees in our school as well? I will make sure that they grow well just like Pari did. She is explaining that she planted some plants in her school. Next, grandpa asking, would you like to hear more stories about some of the other philanthropists? Grandpa asking, do you like to hear some more stories? Next, Geeta saying, yes. Students, before hearing the next story, let us try to answer this question. First one, what were the villages ruled by Pari called together? Parambu Nadu. Second one, what were stopped from the lower regions to Parambu Nadu? What they stopped? The Moovendar stopped something, isn't it? What is that? Yes, food and water. Third one, what did Pari give up as a support to the young mullai creeper? His golden chariot. He donated his costly golden chariot, isn't it? Please remember, Pari donated his golden chariot to a young creeper. So, but here you have to write only his golden chariot. That is enough because these questions will come under one word answers only. So, the answer is enough.